Hello students, in this video we will learn about a simple trick to remember the trigonometric ratios. A lot of students struggle to remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios because they act as a foundation. Without remembering these trigonometric ratios, it is very difficult to solve all the problems in trigonometry. Just like any other branch in maths, trigonometry is one of the branch of maths. We have algebra, calculus. So just like that, trigonometry is also one of the branch of maths. We'll learn a bit of meaning of trigonometry, what exactly trigonometry means. Then we'll get into the trigonometric ratios. Now, as the name itself suggests, it's a Greek word. It's a combination of 3 words. Tri is nothing but 3. Gono is nothing but side. And metri is measurement. So 3 sides measurement is nothing but the trigonometry. So this is a platform where we study about relation between angle and side of a trigonometry, of a triangle, sorry. So let us take an example of one right angle triangle, ABC. So as you can see, there are 3 sides. First side is AB, then we have a BC, then we have a AC. Similarly, we have 3 angles as well in this, that is angle A, angle B and angle C. Now here, this angle B is at 90 degree. Let us take into consideration of angle C as a reference angle, and I indicate it with respect to theta, which is nothing but the unknown angle. Now, a side opposite to theta is called as the opposite side, and this side is a base and the longest side is considered as the hypotenuse. So opposite, and this is base, and we have a hypotenuse. Now, just for our convenience to remember it in a better way, all 6 trigonometric ratios can be remembered with the help of this simple table. Now, here at the top, I will write 3 ratios, that is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Whereas at the second row towards, I will be writing remaining 3 more ratios, that is cosec, secant theta and cot theta. Now for our convenience, I can refer this P as Pakoda and B as Bonda and H as Halwa. Now instead of remembering it as a perpendicular or opposite, P is Pakoda, B is Bonda, H is Halwa. All you need to remember is the placement of Bonda. So in first row, Bonda comes between 2 pakodas, whereas in second row, as I told, the placement of Bonda is important. In second row, Bonda is after 2 halwa. So now, with this table, it is very easy to remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now the question arises how? So let us learn about that. For these 3 trigonometric ratios, you need to write down in this direction, that is sine theta is P by H. That is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. If I compare this with respect to the given triangle, then opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC, which is the longest side. And if I consider some values for that, perpendicular is 3 centimeter, base is 4 centimeter, and hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is 5 centimeter. So AB value is 3 and AC value is 5. Let us get into the second trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta. Now B by H is a cos theta. Similarly for tan theta, P by B. Now for second row ratios, you need to go in an opposite order, opposite direction I mean. So for cosec theta it is H by P, secant theta H by B, and cot theta it is B by P. So all you need to remember is the side which is opposite to this particular angle is called as the opposite angle. Let us take one more example. Now what if same triangle ABC I am considering, where angle B is at 90 degree. Now instead of reference angle being at C, what if I consider this angle A as theta? That time this BC acts as the opposite for our convenient Pakoda, and this AB is a base, which is the Bonda, and AC is the Halwa. So with this small change, again the table remains same. You will write sine, cos, tan at the first row, whereas towards second row, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So you will come downwards. So the placement of Bonda is between two pakodas and placement of Bonda is after two halwas. This is one of the shortcut to remember. Or else, if you are not able to remember the placement of Bonda, there is one more shortcut. That is shortcut 2. You just need to remember one statement, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. So starting letter of this particular sentence will be helpful to remember this shortcut. That is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole is the second shortcut. Or the first shortcut, what you can do is remember the placement of Bonda. That is, in first row, Bonda comes between two pakodas, and in second row, Bonda is between two halwas. So this is the shortcut I was about to convey. Yeah, thank you all.